How to scan Snapchat code. Want to quickly add friends, unlock lenses, or access special content on Snapchat? Scanning Snapchat codes is the easiest way to do it. In this guide, I'll show you how to scan Snapchat snap codes effortlessly whether they are on your screen or in person. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Make sure you are logged in and on the main camera screen. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find your Bitmoji. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to your profile page. Once you're in your profile page, over here you'll find a Snapchat code. You have to click on it. First up, you can download this code. You'll get different option. Click on the option of save to camera roll. Once you do that, now you can hit back. Open up your saved Snapchat code. Now you can click on send to. With that, different friend options will appear. Likewise, different platforms will appear such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. Select any way you wanna share this code. Once the person gets this code, the person can scan this code and add you. You can add a friend, unlock exclusive lenses, or explore new features instantly. Snapchat codes aren't just for adding friends, they can also unlock special lenses, filters, and exclusive content. Keep an eye out for these Snapchat codes on social media, product packaging, or even special events for new experiences. And that's how you can scan Snapchat snap codes. It's quick, easy, and fun way to connect with friends, unlock lenses, and explore Snapchat hidden features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.